Hello, this is Robert with Varisco Design Build Group, bringing you back over to Prime IV. We just finished it. We are excited to bring you into this space, so let's go on in. So we come to our waiting and reception area. We have gorgeous furniture that was specifically selected for the space that really works well with Prime IV, their whole finish palette that they're looking for. They have a very specific finish palette, but they allowed our client to make it a bit more specific to him and his practice. So we have our signage. You'll remember the last time we looked here, we were thinking of a 3D wall, but we decided to go with this very beautiful and elegant wall covering, which ended up actually working a lot better with the signage. And then down here, we have our green wall. Again, trying to mix in a lot of natural elements to the space. This is actually a product that is live, and when natural light touches it, it actually stiffens up. So there is some living aspect to this wall, which is very amazing. And this was an afterthought, and it worked out perfect. And that's really about this whole process is things will come up during the project, during construction, and we go through it and we make things work, and we can still hit things on time, on budget, and make sure it really works with the design of the space. So let me bring you back, and then obviously we have this gorgeous reception counter. It's a quartz product. Again, we were adjusting the design as we were going, and the client had very specific desires as to what he wanted to accomplish here in aesthetics, and it really worked out great. And for something that would be pretty costly, we actually made something like this work with the original budget as we were going in the process of construction. So let us go down this hallway here. This is our consultation space, and the furniture, again, the furniture was amazing. The furniture just really works well. All the furniture throughout the space, you're going to see that just everything works together and it works for the space. And now we have these two private rooms that patients can kind of come in prior to going to the actual members and non-member spaces. They come in here and they get situated, they can watch television and rest prior to actually going into the space. And here is our non-member space. I can show you again a lot of natural elements. We got this kind of wood twig product, makes the space look very modern, but still, again, natural elements, aesthetics, everything really works well together here. So our compounding space is the lab. It's the hub of the space. It's central to everything. It's where the staff go. It's what's considered the back of house area. And we created it as kind of a horseshoe so that the staff can work here and see their patients on both sides, from the non-member side to the member side, which is right behind you, and get quick access to their patients, which makes for a very efficient space. See your patients more readily than you normally would. So we'll walk through here. We're going to walk through one of the private rooms here. Now here is the member space, and you'll see we went a little bit further for the members because we want to take care of our members. So each one of these chairs is specific to Prime IV. They're one of the very few that have these types of chairs, and as you can see, they've embossed it themselves with their own logos. So again, being a member space means a little bit more here, so they've gone a little bit further above and beyond. And again, with the natural elements, we have this wave wall here, making it look like water. Again, very natural with the tree. And what's amazing about this product is it was so super cost effective. This was kind of an afterthought, and as we were progressing with the design, it just all worked, and we're able to make it work again on budget, on time. And then again, this is the side where we have the wave wall again, mirrored on both sides with the tree, the natural light. What's great about this natural light is obviously it's an existing condition, but we utilize that existing condition to see that we can make it spread throughout the rest of the space. We want that natural light everywhere. So that is one of the reasons why we have so much glass here. We have glass on both sides, so all this natural light is just going throughout the entire space. So let me take you down the hallway here. Here's our restroom. One important thing about restrooms is that it speaks so much to a practice. The finishes, it means the cleanliness of the practice itself. So it's very, very important. So I want to thank you so much for coming, showing you this space, Prime IV. If you want a space like this, we can do it. Varisco Design Build Group, have a project on time, on budget, and I want to thank you.